Hello, Ian Summers here from Cayuga Broadheads. I just wanted to run through with the Zot and say thank you for purchasing them. The Zot, it's got 4 different sizes. We've got the 100, 125, 150 and 175, which is pretty awesome for a replaceable blade, 3-blade broadhead single bevel. What I want to do is show you today how to safely remove the broadheads from the packaging, what's included in the packaging with the extra blades that we've got. We've got 9 extra blades, and how to assemble those blades out in the field if you need to replace them. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the broadheads out safely. So you get your cardboard packaging, gives you a bit more info of how it all come together, this broadhead, and the benefits of it. That's your sticker, and it's a pretty cool little thing. Now with the packaging, as you can see like that, there's the 3 heads, and you've also got your spare bleeders, which is 9 spare blades in there. And what you want to do is push it away like that to the ground, and you push on the shank part of the broadhead and safely drop it out on the ground. Alright, so with this, it comes pre-assembled straight out of the pack with the 3 broadheads, and it's also got the little locking pin on there that holds everything together. So all you have to do is just hold your fingers like so. Be careful because obviously it's sharp, and then you screw that on. We also recommend with all our broadheads is put a little bit of string wax on there. It allows you to tighten that up a little bit more so everything's locked into place. We're just going to change the blade and show you how to do that safely. Okay, so with this locking system, we need the little shock washer at the back. Pull that off. Now you grab the blade with your fingers and you just pull back slightly, and it will come out of the little locking pin that's on there. You lay that down, and then you want to grab a new blade, put it in the slot, push forward, it'll lock down into its position. And once you've done that, then you put the chamfer of the locking shock washer there. That goes forward because that's part of the integral design to lock these blades down so they can't push back up. And then just screw it back on, and there you go, you've changed the blade. It's that simple.